Can we use air fryer magic to healthify this British classic? Let's get cooking. The British classic in question is obviously fish and chips, and we could have added some mushy peas to make it truly authentic, but potatoes are vegetables, so that's where we'll start. Wash and peel 1 pound of russet potatoes, about 2 medium spuds. Once peeled, grab a sharp knife and cut them into 1/4-inch slices lengthwise and 1/4-inch wedges in width. This will leave you with some not too big fries, just try to cut them a little more evenly than I did here. Once they're all cut up, place them in a large bowl and give them a good coating with some avocado spray oil. I'm trying to get a little healthier in my air frying ways. Season with kosher salt and some fresh cracked black pepper and give them a good toss to coat. Dump your potato sticks into your air fryer basket and place them in a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit air fryer for 10 minutes. Remove them once to mix in the basket and finish in the air fryer for another 5 minutes. Cook times are going to vary depending on what model you have here, so make sure you cook them to your desired crispiness. Remove from the basket and set aside while we cook our fish. For fish and chips, cod is a great option, but any white fish will do the trick here. This is about a 1 pound loin and needs to be cut down into smaller pieces for more even cooking. I simply cut the fillet in half, then sliced it lengthwise to give me 4 even-ish pieces. To get this baby breaded, we'll start with our dredge. Simply whisk together 1 large egg and 1 tablespoon of water. My buddy gave me shit about using my non-stick pans in the past to do this, so we'll do it inside of a bowl and pour it out onto a plate, setting it aside. Next, we'll season 2 cups of panko with 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little heat. Mix this all together and let's get breading. Start by dipping your fish fillet in your egg wash, then move it on over to the panko, flipping it around until it's evenly coated. I tried to go for a double panko dip for extra crunch, but ended up losing more panko on the second egg dunk, so I'd advise you to stick with just 1. Set this one aside and repeat the process until all of your fish has been breaded. Place your coated fish into the basket of an air fryer and fry for 8 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until the fish is cooked through and reads 140 degrees on an instant read thermometer. While that's cooking, we need to make our super healthy sauce tartare. For that, we'll need to mince 2 dill pickles. I thought about grating these, but mincing is what I landed on for a little more crunch. In a bowl, combine half a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, our 2 minced dillies, 1 teaspoon of pickle juice, trust me on this, 1 tablespoon chives, 1 tablespoon fresh dill, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar. Give this a good mix until it's well combined, season with some kosher salt, and taste for seasoning. All that's left now is to remove our cooked fish and assemble our meal. Start by laying down half of your fries, followed by stacking 2 pieces of fish. Place a small serving of your tartare sauce in a bowl off to the side, serving with a couple wedges of fresh lemon. Air fryers are always going to be better than frying, and by removing all that fat, you'll get to enjoy healthy versions of your favorite fried foods. But if you don't have an air fryer, or you just want to stuff this fish into a delicious taco, then check out this recipe right over here.